Hi guys, this is Liz. Today is a super duper nice day. The sun is out, it's not windy, so I'm enjoying life. I'm going to plant fuchsia, agastaki or hyssop, and the Gerber daisies. Fuchsia flower is annual here in Zone 7. To encourage more foliage, I'm using chicken manure and the complete NPK fertilizer triple 13. The new soil level is the same as when I bought the plant. Tamping or firming the soil around the plant is making sure that the roots and the soil are in good contact so that the roots won't dry up, causing the plants to die. Fuchsia is a shade plant, so just give 1 to 3 hours of morning sun. This is a mounding annual flower. You can fertilize it every 6 to 8 weeks and can grow as tall as 18 inches and spread as wide as 24 inches. Poquito orange hyssop thrives in full sun. Triple 13 fertilizer, chicken manure, mix. I'm going to scratch the root system a little bit. This plant was not root bound in that small pot, but I noticed that the soil dries so fast. I have to water it like twice a day. So let's see what's going to happen in this bigger pot. It says in the tag, allow soil to dry between thorough waterings. The spread is 14 and the height is also 14 inches. I measured the height. It is 21 inches. I hope it will grow taller because it looks really pretty in this taller container. By the way, poquito means little or small. In this spot, I have 2 flower colors of the Gerbera daisy. It's that fuchsia, and I think this is yellow. I'm putting in triple 13 and the chicken manure. I finished the video the next day because it was so dark already, and I misspoke. It's not yellow but orange flower. Gerber daisy prefers a fertile, well-draining soil and slightly acidic between 5.5 to 6.5 pH. It requires full sun, between 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, and benefits from shade in extreme heat in the afternoon. Do not use too much of the nitrogen fertilizer as you're going to get only the foliage. For continuous blooming of the plant, use a fertilizer that is high in phosphorus, and also you need to trim the spent flowers. You just cut at the base of the flower, that area. It would be nice if you can subscribe to my channel. I tried restoring this yard last year. I was not successful. Maybe because this area was shaded because of that tree, and this year my husband pruned it. When we bought this house 7 years ago, there were Bermuda grass on the ground, but also lots of weed. So I'm going to use this brand because this is the one that seems like too much up with the Bermuda here. I use topsoil to level up the ground. I'm going to water 2 to 3 times a day.